Presenting the 2010 Cadillac SRX. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. Pamper yourself with memory settings. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.